Are you a realtor that's tired of the ebb and flow of commission-based income? Then this video is for you. I'm here to show realtors how to make money without the uncertainty of commission income. Hi, I'm Cherilynn Hoffman with eXp Realty, and I'm going to show you 4 ways to earn money with eXp Realty. Number 1, agent ownership. Agents that sign up with eXp Realty are able to have agent ownership in the brokerage through company shares. Number 2, revenue share. eXp rewards agents for sharing or attracting with other agents. This allows agents to actually earn money from the company, not the agent. The company rewards agents who bring in other agents, and so the company is rewarding that agent. Number 3, real estate agents are also earning more than 100% commission. You can't find this anywhere else. Usually there is a brokerage commission. Here at eXp Realty, you can earn more than 100% of your commission. Number 4 is referrals. Yes, agents have been doing referrals. However, eXp made it even more available to their agents. Because eXp is a worldwide company, we have an awesome referral network with any agent in or out of eXp worldwide. This platform called Workplace, which is created by Facebook, has allowed agents to get an additional, on average, 15 more referrals per month. This platform of Workplace is basically a vamped up LinkedIn. And so this way to earn money is exciting for agents, where all they have to do is connect a buyer or seller with a referral in that prospect's area. If you'd like to learn more about how to earn residual income with eXp Realty, click on the description below and set up an appointment with me. I can show you how much money you can make with your current sales volume, and I can show you the projections of what you can make within the next 1 to 5 years in real estate. So if you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe, and hit the bell to receive notifications on my next video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below, or feel free to give me a call or send me a text at 931-436-3552. I hope to see you soon on social media or in person. Follow me on social media at Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, and YouTube. Have a blessed day.